What we've got on here is the LPM 500-030 low power monitoring device. Currently we're installing it in a rapid flashing beacon that's solar powered. On the bottom end we've got an 18-pin Molex connector which connects to a standard harness we supply with the unit. On the other end we have our customary set of LEDs, which are firstly the heartbeat LED, secondly the actual connectivity LED, so we know whether the unit is functioning properly and whether it's connected to glance. You'll see two connectors here, one's for a GPS, one's for cellular. Both of these go into a single antenna that gets mounted on the cabinet to gives us 24/7 connectivity. This switch is to do the calibration of the knockdown sensor, which would tell you whether the actual unit this is installed in has been knocked over by a vehicle or so, which is another way of us alarming when something goes wrong. So over here you see the completed installed unit. It's the little black box on the left side wall, very small and unintrusive and real easy to install. Makes for a nice neat installation as a retrofit. So over here we've got glance on my phone. As you can see, we can do glance from anywhere. The 030 device, level 2 on glance I'm showing here, looks very familiar, same kind of layout that everybody's familiar with for all our devices. What you'll see at the top is the units online. We've got some system voltage we're looking at. We're monitoring the solar battery voltage, solar panel voltage. A new parameter we're monitoring is the solar array current, and that is coming in very handy for us to be able to determine when you've got stuff like trees that's overgrown, that now it doesn't make it all that efficient anymore. And then we can go to the more detailed screen where we've got level 3, where you can actually look at all the raw data, and as you can see on the second page, we've got additional data like signal strength, SIM card numbers, and pretty much everything that you've come to expect from all AI devices.